Now we're going to cover how I like to get my workstation set up. So the first thing I like to do is that you often find your beads and charms tend to roll around everywhere whilst you're making your bracelet. So I get a coaster and I like to add my beads and charms onto the coaster so that they don't go walkabouts whilst I'm crafting. I like to keep my scissors nearby and then I prep my threads. So if you have one of our kits, now's the time to take your bobbin of threads that I've pre-cut for you in your colours. This is our Tree of Life colours here, and you're going to unwind them now. And then what you're going to do, and this is for everybody, take your thread, cotton thread, your inner piece, and fold in half. Now it's really important to fold that in half, because if you don't, you're going to end up with a wonky bracelet that's fat at the top and thin at the bottom. And the same applies then for your 5 threads of embroidery thread. You want to make sure that they are exactly in half. Otherwise you're going to get to the end and you're not going to have enough threads to tie your knot and your plaited tassel. Then what you're going to do is loop them around a finger and then over the top, loop over your cotton inner thread, and you're going to have them lined up like so. Then you're ready for the next section, which is where we're going to braid our loop to start off our bracelet.